Drawing class from Live Model Fundamentals. First of all, you want to hold your pencil like this, not like you're writing a note with a pen. So next, you're going to be standing on an easel, and you want to have your arm pretty much outstretched, and that gives you the optimum movement and mobility of your arm holding the pencil and hand. Next, you want the line of tension. The first thing to look for with a live model is the line of tension, which is the where the body weight is resting. And in these two examples, you see where the line of tension is. Beyond that, there are dozens of parameters and considerations. So in this example, we're going to talk about blocking in the figure. So when blocking in the figure, you just do very big graphic block shapes, and they get smaller and smaller, and then the figure becomes apparent on your paper. As you can see, for the block in, we have rectangles, squares, and triangles. Next, we talk about negative space. Negative space is a very important aspect of figure drawing. And so in this case, I'm saying that that's the figure, and you don't draw the figure, you only draw the negative space. Now let's see all these topics in motion. So your model is sitting in a chair and touching their forehead. So first doing the line of tension, then some negative space. You'll notice these negative space areas are actually triangles, and so that's nice to recognize that as you go. And then those are some of the basics for figure drawing from a live model.